Manufacturer of the Outback, Mr. Alf Treager of Adelaide, inventor of the pedal power radio transmitter, which keeps isolated bushfolk in touch with civilization and has saved many lives in emergencies. Another invention of Mr. Treager's is the Morse typewriter. You type ordinary words, this instrument turns them into dots and dashes. You can send Morse this way as long as you know your ABC. The inventor's assistant in his splendid work is his wife, who calls up her husband on a pedal set to test the improvements he's constantly adding, aiding the onward march of communication.